Hi guys, this is Jolt. In today's video we are going to check out this Kraftdekker KD-50L compressor. It says professional. Well, the price was anything but professional price, so I'm not expecting it to change the world or save the world, but yeah, we will see what it can do. So let's kick it. Don't look at the state of the garage. It's work in progress. I'm tidying it up, but I was interrupted a couple of times for various reasons, and yeah, so but anyway, it's work in progress. Well, for me, the testing is just about to finish right now because there is no tube included or pipe. So I cannot really test it any further. So I need to buy some sort of pipes to be able to use it. But of course, for you, the video will continue shortly. However, since I opened the box now, of course, I'm not going to put it back. I'm just going to put the wheels and such underneath. Well, that's it about German craftsmanship for you. The instructions are not even for this model. If you have a look at the handle, it's a completely different handle over here. And it shows that I'm supposed to put 2 washers under those little rubber spacers or whatever it is. But there are 0 washers included in the pack. So interesting. such a cool German quality. Size 14 is small, but size 15 is big already. Okay, well, size 17 was okay. Well, I didn't really have to put a lot of force in it and then it broke. And also that breather, which is referred as part 19, shows breather. So, yep, well, it's even for Google Translate is very bad, and there are some more golden translations. But anyhow, there is also this filter, which is part 27, filled element. It shows up there, but of course, because it has a different cover on it than the one in the description, it goes, well, almost there, but a bit differently. Okay, well, that's it. The super professional Kraftdekker. What I don't understand, how any of the Germans possibly allowed this to have like Germany and the flag anywhere on it, because I've seen considerably better things coming out of Germany than this one. Of course, it's something made in China, but I don't know. Anyway, as I said, the price was also not professional, so let's not get bogged down on why is it called professional.
4 to 6 days later.
Well, the magic of the video editing. Suddenly I've got the hose pipe or the tube, the pipe. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it on and we'll see how long it's going to take for the 50 liters canister to be full. Then I'll be back. It was around 3 minutes 19 seconds for 8 bars. Okay, I can hear some hissing from the quick connector, It's not very quick, but nice hissing, so it is releasing some water. And when I say water, I mean air. Now, for the sake of fun, I'm going to take one of these tire inflate sets, and we're going to try it on one of the bicycles. Okay, well, I could inflate the tires in no time from 0 to 3.5 bars of pressure. So for this purpose, it will do the trick, but of course I wouldn't use it on an industrial scale. And I still need to do something about this hissing. Alrighty, ladies and gents, that was the 50 liters Kraftdekker compressor. Would I recommend it? Honestly speaking, no, not really. I paid under 100 euros for it, something around 100 US dollars. Something like, I don't know, maybe 80 or 90 pounds. Well, the quality is what you can get for this much of money. So honestly, hands on heart, if you want to use it only for inflating, I almost said blowing, inflating the tires of the bicycle or the car, fine, it's enough. You don't need to buy something that costs twice as much or 3 times. For this purpose, this will do the trick. It has some weaknesses, which I highlighted in the video. But if you want to buy something proper, then this is not the one. But as I said, if you don't want to spend more than 30,000 forints or 100 US dollars or, I don't know, 90 euros or 80 pounds or whatever around that price mark, this will do the trick for this hobby level. Otherwise, get something proper. I will use it because I need only for inflating the tires and maybe, I don't know, blow some air from the engine bay or some water with the air from the engine bay or car cleaning or whatever. But I would not really recommend this if you are serious about it. Anyway, that was it about this video. If you liked, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.